method for finding out L value. What? For finding out L. In forward we are using E and in backward we are using L. So as we know કે શરૂઆતથી અંત સુધી આપણે આવી ગયા, બટ હવે શું કરવાનું છે? અંતથી પાછું શરૂઆતમાં જવાનું છે. મતલબ with the help of backward method we are reaching from destination to source. પાછા આવવાનું છે. તો પાછા આવવા માટે જો શરૂઆત શૂન્ય હોય means initially we consider value as a 0. So from the last to end, last to first, we have to consider L10 is equal to 47. Okay. Now we have to find the L9. L9. So how we have to find the value of L9? With the help of this formula. Chalo. With the help of backward formula, L9 is equal to minimum into bracket. What is the preceding value of 9? It is 10. So L10 minus the distance between these two, that is D9 and 10. So as per the formula, minimum, what is the value of L10? That is 47 minus distance between these two. That is 5. So our L9 value is 42. Done? So here we have to write down 42. Clear? Now we have to find the value of L8. L8. Same way, L8. Formula minimum. The preceding value of L, that is 10. L10 minus D810. Minimum 10. The value of L10, that is 47. D810, that is 6. So L8, that is 41. So L8, that is 41. Now L7. L7. So what is the preceding value of the L7? That is L9. Right? What is the value of L9? 42 minus distance between 7 and 9, that is 10. So 42 minus 10,
32.
So 32. So L7 is equal to 32. Now L6. L6. So what is the preceding value for the 6? L8 and L9. There are two values for the preceding, for getting the L6. For this we have to use the formula with the help of minimum value. Let us take L6 minimum into bracket. There are two preceding values. Look at the board. For the 6, one is 8 and another is 9. So first we do L8 minus distance between 6 and 8, comma. Another one, that is L9, this one, minus distance between these two. So 6, 9. Understood? Sure. So from this, what is the value of L8? 41 minus D6, 8, that is 14. What is the value of L9? 42 minus 6, 9. Oh, 11 over here. Right? So minimum, the difference is 30. And here, how much? 28. The difference is 28, right? So from these two values, the minimum is 28. So our L6 becomes 28. चलो क्या છે L6? हाँ, અહીંયા લખી દઈએ 28. હવે શું લેશું? L5. क्या છે? આ L5. L5 માટે પાછળ કોણ છે? 8. તો L8 ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે? 41 minus 8 41 minus 8 કેટલા આન્સર આવશે
39.
હે
39.
41 minus 8 33 L5 that is double 3. Now L4 chalo L4 for the L4 preceding value that is L7 32 minus 25. I repeat one more time 32 minus 25 so value is 7 so L4 becomes 7. Now L3 માટે preceding કોણ છે 6 so L6 ની value કેટલી છે 28 minus distance between these two 16 answer આવશે 12 so L3 becomes 12. હવે L2 આવશે ચાલો L2 માટે preceding કોણ છે L5 ની value કેટલી 33 માંથી distance between these two मतलब 20 so 33 minus 20 કેટલા આવશે 13 so L2 becomes 13. Okay, now the last value that is L1. For the L1 there are three preceding values 2 3 and 4 એટલે આ ત્રણની વેલ્યુ ને આપણે મિનિમમ વાળી ફોર્મ્યુલામાં મૂકી એમાંથી પછી ફાઇનલ જે વેલ્યુ આવે એનો આન્સર લાવીશું. ગણતરી શરૂ કરીએ. For the finding out of L1 minimum let us take first L2, right? So L2 minus distance between 1 to 9 sure then L3 minus 1 3 and L4 minus 1 4 so there are three values in this case. What is the value of L2 13 minus D12 that is 8 is it okay na so what is the value of L3 that is 12 minus D13 it is also 10 then L4 7 minus distance with that is 7 right so minimum 13 minus 8 5 12 minus 10 2 7 minus 0 so in this case 0 is the lowest value so L1 becomes 0 L1 becomes 0 understood so keep it in your mind that whenever we are starting that is 0 so when we are ending it is also 0 clear now you have to find the value of equal value not value but you have to find the equal value of E and L like this E1 L1 0 0 E4 L4 7 7 so we have to construct one more line in between these two same way E7 L7 32 32 so we have to construct one more line in between this same way 9
E9 L9
E9 L9 42 42 so we have to construct one more line and the last one that is 47 47 right so we have to construct the line one more line in between this path so this is another way to find out critical path using forward and backward method so in this example the final answer of the critical path is 1 4 7 9 and 10 why because of its values is 47 done now after completion of backward and forward method we have to go with the total float value this one total float we have to find total, free and individual. There are three kinds of floats are available. So for this we have to construct this type of table, right? So in this table, the first columns, that is activity. The meaning of activity is the distance between two nodes. For example, here I wrote 1 dash 2. It means what? 1 and 2. These are the two nodes. And the activity which is called 1, 2. So that I wrote over here. One more. 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 4. 1, 4. Same way. 2, 5. 2, 5. 3, 6. 3, 6. Right? The same way we have to write every activities in a column number 1, which is mentioned in our network diagram. Okay, so in between this activity, the duration which is mentioned in between these two. For example, 1 and 2, in between the distance is 8. So I wrote over 8. Already it is given. For the second, 10. Third, 7. The same way you have to fill all the durations between the two activities. Now actually we have to find this table. We have to calculate the table with the help of the given formula. But in this case, first of all, you have to fill the column number 3 and then you have to fill the column number 6. After filling up the column number 3 and column number 6, the remaining columns are very easy for calculation purpose. Joiye. What is the meaning of EI and what is the meaning of LJ? It means here the latest value of the finishing and the earliest value of the starting. It means what? The value which we found in the form of E1, E2, E3, E4 and up to E10. That is our earliest value. So we have to write down a value of all the E1 to E10. Which is mentioned over here. Look, E1, 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 E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E6, E7, E8 and E9. So these are the value which is mentioned in the left hand side with the earliest value. So what is the value of E1? 0. So that I have to write over here. What is the value of E1 again? 0. Third is also 0. E2, what is the value of E2?
8.
8. What is the value of E3? 12. 10. Then E4? 7. Then E5? 28. E6? How much? 26 two times, because E6 are repeated 2 times. That is why 2 times. E7 32. Then E8 37. Yes. And the last, that is 42. Okay. So with the help of this left hand side value, I repeat one more time. ધ્યાન રાખજો, આ ખાસ કહું છું. એક્ટિવિટી માં ડાબી બાજુનો જે ભાગ છે એની કી વેલ્યુ આપણે કોલમ નંબર 3 માં લખવાની છે. બરાબર? એવી જ રીતે એક્ટિવિટીમાં જે જમણી સાઈડનો ભાગ છે, મતલબ 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 9 9 10 એની લેટેસ્ટ વેલ્યુ એટલે કે L ની વેલ્યુ એ કોલમ નંબર 6 માં ભરવાની છે. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. What is the value of L8? L8 કેટલા છે? 41. ચલો પછી L10 47. ફરી પાછું મારી ભૂલ થઈ, માય મિસ્ટેક. જોવાનું છે આ વેલ્યુ, આ વેલ્યુ જોવાની છે એક્ટિવિટીમાં. L2 કેટલા? L2 13. L2 છે 13. પછી છે L3 12. પછી છે L4 7. પછી છે L5 33. પછી છે L6 28. 7, 32, then 8 2 times 41 बराबर 41 why 2 times because the 8 which is 2 times. Now same way 9 is also 2 times, 10 is also 2 times. So what is the value of L9? 42. So 42 2 times and 40, that is 47. Okay, so this is the way we have to fill up the earliest column, means column number 3, and the column number 6 with the help of first column, that is activity between the two nodes. Okay, now these are the column names which I mentioned, and as per the formula you have to do some activity. For example, column number 4, the formula is column number 6 minus column number 2. So the value of column number 6 is 13, minus 2 means 8. So in this case 13 minus 8, that is 5. So you have to write down over here. Same way 12 minus 10, 2. Same way 7 minus 7, 0. Okay, 33 minus 20, 1 3. Okay, now same way you have to fill the table like from 6 minus 2. You have to fill the table like this. Sorry, not table, column. Now the fifth number column, 3 plus 2 means what? 3 means this column and 2 means this column. So 0 plus 8, that is 8. 0 plus 10, 10. 0 plus 7, 7, right? Now do the same way, fill the column number 5. Okay, now same way column number 7. What you have to do in this case? Column number 4 minus column number 3. So where is the column number 4? 5 minus 0. So the value is 5. Again 2 minus 0. So value is 2. 0 minus 0. So value is 0. Now remaining process you have to do at your side. Same way column number 8 and column number 9. The values which are given already in this the various column name, right? And you have to perform the whole column with the help of this formula. So this is the way we have to find the float value with the help of network diagram and forward and backward method. The last column, which is individual, right? The formula is this 9 number column. What you have to do? You have to value of this 8 minus 4 into bracket minus 5. So the value of column number 4, then minus column number 5. And after calculation this value, you have to subtract the all value from column number 8, which is mentioned over here. Okay, done.